Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm going to try to make this video quick because I'm recording in my office and it's super loud. It's like the middle of the day, so the street is very busy and it's going to piss me off. So, like that. Big old truck. 2 trucks going by. This is gonna be like a 6-month update slash close-up video. So happy that I made half a year. My locks are flourishing. Some of them are fully locked. Now don't get confused when people say their hair is fully locked or their hair is mature. 2 different things. Fully locked is when your hair no longer has like the stragglies at the ends. You can't really see your texture, like your curl pattern anymore. So let me see if I can find one that is fully locked. This one right here is fully locked. It has no more elasticity to it, and you can clearly see like the ends are rounded. Your hair has to go through an entire process of actually maturing, expanding, and then contracting. So that takes years to actually happen. So you'll notice that people with very mature locks have that really nice cylinder shape to their locks. It is compacted, it feels very dense, and obviously they've had their locks for years at that point. Let's get into this update. The biggest thing I want to talk about is the ones on the sides. I've always mentioned that they're the skinnier ones. They take the longest to lock just because my curl pattern is much looser on the sides and my hair isn't as dense, but they are finally starting to thicken up and starting to knot up, and I'm so excited and happy for that because not that I was worried or anything, but it's frustrating when you see like most of your hair locking up and then parts of your hair that are just taking forever. But as you can see, it still has a long way to go. I still have about half of the lock that needs to actually, you know, shrink up and knot on itself, but it's okay. It's happening, so that's all that really matters. And this side is getting a little bit thicker too. It's definitely a little bit more heftier than the other side. It's knotting up more, I should say. And I can also feel like my ends are starting to knot up too. But other than that, frizz is still there. My hair is looking longer, even though I don't even have a retwist. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna retwist because I kind of want to stretch this out. I don't really need a retwist. I mean, you never really need it. It's really, you know, we're not gonna get into that. But I don't really need a retwist. As you can see, the color is growing out. I did dye my hair as a loose natural before I started this set. Kind of like a magenta color. It was very hard to see, really only in certain lighting where you could actually see the color, but you can see that it is definitely growing out. So that's exciting. That's what the back looks like. My hair is also starting to feel heavier and it's clearly much thicker. Like way more full than what it was even just a couple months ago, and obviously from when I first started. It just feels so fluffy and nice, and I'm just so excited. But other than that, I mean, not much has really been going on. They're just locking up a whole lot more now. This one is so thick compared to this one. It's just because I did this one much bigger, but it's whatever, it's not that big of a deal. So let's get into this close-up. I'm gonna start with the back. I'm gonna put my hair up. There's really not much else I can think of to update you guys on. Other than that, my hair feels like it's getting longer. It looks a little bit longer. It looks fuller, feels fuller. It just feels really good. Like, I have no complaints at all. I really love how my hair is looking. Obviously, a fresh retwist would be nice, but I want to stretch it out to at least 6 weeks, so we'll see what happens. She is cute. What? I know my hair will look like that. The ones in the very back, like, these babies is locked. They're not going nowhere. You can't see no curl to them. It's just there. It's living and it's giving. I'm gonna wear my hair like this today. This is cute. No elasticity, y'all. Like, no elasticity. It actually hurts when I tug on it like that because it's not stretchy anymore. Lumpy and bumpy, super cute. I really love the texture of it and how squishy they feel. This one still has elasticity to it. If you guys want to see a difference between one that completely lost its elasticity and still has it. Oh, look at my little curls. They're so cute. Also, if you see lint in my hair, like cat hair in my hair, don't judge me. I have a cat. He is orange and white, so it's very easy to see his fur in my hair. You know, that's just what happens when you have a pet. So I try to get as much cat hair and lint out of my hair as possible, as best as I can, but it's very hard. So like that right there looks like lint. I'll have to get out. I think, or maybe it's just a reflection, I can't really tell. But my locks are still frizzy. I noticed that there's not as many loose hairs as there was before. So that's good because they don't really stick together as much. Oh, this is a big boy. So whenever I retwist this hair, I would wrap it around the lock. Still got some elasticity at the ends, which normally for most people, their ends lock up the last. So it's completely normal and completely okay. This is why I like to do the close-up video so people can see that their hair is doing just fine. You know, there's no need to worry if your ends look like mine and you're like 6 months in or 6+ months in, you're like, oh my gosh, my hair is not locking. You know, you really just have to have patience and understand that everyone's hair texture is different and it's gonna lock at different rates. You might have different textures throughout your whole head, so that can also change the rate of how fast your hair is locking. If you guys notice, my retwist has really been lasting. You don't really see a lot of unraveled new growth or any new growth that much, so that's why I really want to wait at least 6 weeks to do a retwist. Still got a lot of locks up in this ponytail. But y'all, my hair is looking so cute. Love it. Alright, let's look at these sides now. Kind of already did show you guys the sides, but let's get a little closer. See, there's cat hair everywhere. I try to keep my hair wrapped up as much as possible, y'all. Like, imagine if I didn't. Like, I really do have my hair wrapped up 90% of the time. This one is just like so stretched out. But it's not unraveling, which is good. I really about to put my hair back up because that was just so cute to me, y'all. Like, and the ones that want to fall in the back, they could fall. Like, I don't really care. I'm not going nowhere. Just like, you know, it adds character having some hanging in the back, you know? But this is so cute to me. Just out of my face. Not dragging on my neck, think I got a bug on me, you know. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this 6-month update and close up. As always, let me know where you guys are at in your loc journey down in the comments, or if you're thinking about starting and you're just binge watching loc videos just to kind of get a feel and some more knowledge on locs, loc maintenance, the whole process. Whatever you want to say in the comments, just say in the comments. But that wraps it up. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.